Hey guys, this is AC Lock here with SoftWash Systems, and I've got Terry and Dennis here with ClearView SoftWash. Now you guys are out of Ohio, right?
Yes, we are.
What area do you guys service there in Ohio?
Shaker Heights.
Shaker Heights?
Cleveland Heights, Gates Mills.
Okay, cool.
Orland Hills, Pepper Pike.
What's the major city that you guys are by?
Cleveland.
Cleveland. So the greater Cleveland area.
Correct.
Awesome, cool. So Terry and Dennis have come here to SoftWash Systems and entrusted us with building a great rig for them. Our creative services team has come in and designed the wrap for their truck. Valor has wrapped the truck. We've just had a lot of great experience this week at Discover SoftWash with them, and boy, it's been an awesome week, and it goes by this quick, doesn't it? It really does. Yeah, sad to leave. But I just want to thank you guys so much for trusting us with this, for allowing us to build this great truck for you, help you freshen up your brand and come up with a truck wrap and everything so that you guys could grow your company and do great things with us here at SoftWash Systems, joining the SoftWash revolution.
Absolutely.
Cool. Well, I'm going to talk about your truck and show it to everybody.
Okay.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
All right, so great truck. I love quad cabs. Quad cabs are cool because you do get a lot of extra room. Nice wrap. Love all the blue overtones and undertones here mixed in with the white. Nice and simple and clean. Will stand out in their market very, very well. But this is a pre-existing truck that they had. So it has back here a just shorter than 6-foot bed. So we couldn't put our typical 72-inch skid in this truck. So we had to go with our 57. So the 57-inch skid doesn't have the cradle arms and doesn't have the ladder rack, but they already had this great track rack system here, aluminum ladder rack system that they had on the truck. So we were able to come in and put in one of our 57-inch skids, and the 57-inch skids have an A, a B, and a C slot, no D. Didn't have enough room to get 4 slots on here, but we were able to do 3. So in the A and the B position, they went ahead and put on here a Blend 100. This is our blend head on a 100-gallon sodium hypochlorite tank, and that's a Blend 100 module. And next to it, they were able to put in a Rinse 50 module. So that's our bulk rinse module here with a 50-gallon water capacity. So nice and tight and clean. And as we come around to the back here, you know, I like manual hose reels because we talk about the company health plan. It's about the only exercise I get anymore is winding up a hose reel. But this is a great system because you took a budget-minded 57-inch skid that's a little smaller than our cradle skid. We put 2 modules on it, but we were able to come down in here in the back and put on 2 18-inch Titan electric hose reels. So this is great. They've got electric hose reels here on the back, so that was a nice upgrade for them on the 57-inch skid. They've got all 4 of their interstate deep cycle marine batteries. And up underneath here we have our AC charging system and our DC charging system that works off of the energy, the kinetic energy that the truck makes anyhow. These will charge the batteries whether you want to plug in the wall back at the office or you want to go ahead and charge using the kinetic energy that your engine's making anyhow to bring back to this battery system. It's very, very green. We've got our reel stand on here with the extensions to accommodate both of these 18-inch reels. So we have our regular reel stand here, and then we have our extension that fits down over the top of it, doubles up the aluminum on here, and allows you to add these reels. And you can see it is very, very sturdy back here on the back of the truck. We don't have to worry about having any issues. The engineering on these systems are great. Over on the side here, remember they only have the A, the B, and the C slots, A, B, and C. And here in the A position, well actually here in the A position because we reverse, they went ahead and put a saddle tank. This is a chemical saddle tank. And this is where they're holding their green wash with a micro valve for opening and closing the green wash. In the B position here, we have the Trinity cocktail, which is the green wash, the Terra wash, and the Rain Fresh. And then in the C position, hooked up to the bulk rinse pump, we went ahead and put a metering saddle tank here with the Gordon Fisher metering ball valve that allows us to meter plant wash here into the bulk rinse pump for neutralizing all the plants at the end of the job. You can see right here with the space that they had left over, because we couldn't put a full skid in here, they do have a nice area in the back of the truck here for carrying extra chemicals, their boots, other materials, and everything. Nice, compact. This is actually very, very similar to the systems that we're selling out in the UK and Europe that they put in the back of transit vans, and the different vans that they have over there are called Euro vans, is this type of system. Also fits beautifully in the back of a pickup truck. But great wrap here, great brand, ClearView SoftWash out in the Cleveland, Ohio area. You can reach them right here with their phone number. Area code 440-479-9789. 440-479-9789 for ClearView SoftWash. They're our latest company joining the SoftWash revolution, representing us in Ohio. It's exciting stuff. Hey guys, I'm AC Lock here with SoftWash Systems. Give us a call if you want a beautiful truck like this and you want to join the SoftWash revolution. Our phone number is right down here on the bottom of the screen. I'm AC Lock here. Hey listen, go forth and prosper.